A Nightmare on Elm Street and the Texas Chainsaw Massacre? What? More like a shipmare on No Street and the Nexus No Saw Missade. I can't believe these two movies don't even know about it, and I don't like them. They're based on originally having Freddy Krueger and Leatherface together. They don't even know about that. And when for some reason I don't like them. You know who likes this show? Delightful children from down the lane. They wish they could be with them, but they don't, cause they're on Cartoon Network, not 20th Century Fox. You know who hates these two killers? Miles. He wishes to charge at them for a long, long time. So screw Nightmare on Elm Street, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Friday the 13th is much more easier, and even Silence of the Lambs. Plus, Halloween. And getting Michael Myers, Jason, and Hannibal Lecter are so. That's it. Rant